Hello fabulous viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a refreshing and indulgent topic to explore, the battle of skincare essentials. We'll be comparing two must-have products for a smooth and supple skin, body cream and body wash. If you've ever wondered which one is the ultimate game changer in your skincare routine, you're in for a treat. So let's dive into this body cream versus body wash showdown and discover which one reigns supreme. Let's start with the luxurious world of body cream. Body creams are crafted to provide deep nourishment and hydration to your skin. They typically contain rich ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or oils, which work wonders in moisturizing and softening the skin. If you're someone with dry or dehydrated skin, body creams can be your secret to achieve a smooth and silky feel. Now let's shift our focus to the invigorating realm of body wash. Body washes are designed to cleanse and refresh your skin, leaving you feeling revitalized and clean. They often come in a variety of delightful scents, making your shower time a pampering experience. Body washes are fantastic for removing dirt, impurities, and excess oil from your skin, making them a staple in your daily shower routine. When it comes to application, both body cream and body wash are incredibly easy to use. For body cream, simply apply a generous amount onto your skin and massage it gently, focusing on dry areas. On the other hand, body wash is best applied with a loofah or washcloth, creating a rich lather before cleansing your body from head to toe. Your skin type and concerns play a vital role in determining which product suits you best. If you have dry or sensitive skin, body cream can be a savior, providing much-needed hydration and relief. Meanwhile, body washes are excellent for oil or acne-prone skin, as they effectively cleanse without clogging pores. The delightful world of scents. Both body creams and body washes come in a variety of alluring fragrances to suit your mood and preferences. Body washes in particular can elevate your shower experience with their soothing and invigorating scents, transforming your bath into a mini spa session. When it comes to long-lasting effects, body creams tend to keep your skin moisturized for an extended period. Their thick and nourishing formulas create a protective barrier that locks in moisture. On the other hand, body washes provide immediate freshness and cleanliness, though their effects may not last as long as body cream's hydration. Both body cream and body wash are essential components of a daily skincare routine. Using body wash during your shower ensures a clean and refreshed start to your day, while applying body cream after bathing keeps your skin supple and moisturized throughout the day. Overall, both body cream and body wash play unique and crucial roles in achieving healthy and pampered skin. Body creams provide deep nourishment and hydration, making them perfect for dry or sensitive skin. On the other hand, body washes cleanse and refresh your skin, ideal for those seeking an invigorating shower experience. The key is to find the perfect combination that works harmoniously with your skin's needs. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey through the world of body cream versus body wash. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and product comparisons. Share your favorite body cream or body wash in the comments below. Until next time, take care and embrace the beauty within.